Are you tired of sweltering summers and stuffy rooms? Have you been searching for a permanent cooling solution that doesn't eat up your window space or require constant installation and removal? If you're ready to transform your comfort and upgrade your home's climate control, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the 7 best through-the-wall air conditioners on the market. Whether you need powerful cooling, energy savings, smart features, or year-round comfort, this list has you covered. We've tested each of these units in real-world conditions, and we're going to break down their features, performance, and even a few drawbacks, so you can make the best choice for your space. Let's dive right in. 7. Keystone 14,000 BTU. Starting our list at number 7 is the Keystone 14,000 BTU through-the-wall air conditioner. This unit is designed to handle large spaces up to 700 square feet, making it ideal for apartments, living rooms, or even garages. One of the standout features is its robust dehumidification capability, pulling up to 2.9 pints of moisture from the air every hour. That's a real plus if you live in a humid climate or have issues with dampness. The Keystone comes with a Follow Me remote control, which means the unit can sense the temperature where you are in the room and adjust its cooling accordingly. This is a smart touch that helps keep your comfort consistent, no matter where you're sitting. The programmable 24-hour timer, energy saver mode, and sleep mode all contribute to keeping your energy bills in check, and the check filter alert is a handy reminder for maintenance. However, during our testing, we noticed a couple of issues that might be deal breakers for some users. First, the Keystone 14,000 BTU requires a special 230-volt electrical outlet. If your home isn't already equipped with this, you'll need to hire an electrician, which adds to the overall cost and hassle. Also, while the unit is powerful, it's not the quietest AC out there. In a bedroom or study, the noise level might be noticeable, especially at higher fan speeds. Number 6. OLMO TTW 12,000 BTU. This unit stands out for its versatility, offering both cooling and supplemental heating, which makes it a year-round solution for homes, apartments, or offices. The OLMO features a user-friendly remote and even offers Smart Connect Wi-Fi compatibility, so you can control your climate from your smartphone, great for tech-savvy users or anyone who wants to adjust settings before getting home. The OLMO's 12,000 BTU capacity is well-suited for medium-sized rooms, and the inclusion of sleep mode and a 24-hour timer means you can customize your comfort schedule while saving energy. The auto restart function is a thoughtful touch, restoring your settings after a power outage, and the self-evaporating system helps reduce maintenance. Despite these positives, the OLMO TTW 12,000 BTU has a few drawbacks that became apparent during our testing. While the cooling and heating are both effective, the unit struggles to maintain consistent temperatures in larger or oddly shaped rooms. The fan, even on its lowest setting, can be a bit loud, which could be distracting in a quiet environment. Additionally, the Wi-Fi setup isn't as seamless as we'd hoped. It took a few tries to get the unit connected, and the app interface could use some refinement. Installation is generally straightforward, but the optional wall sleeve for a cleaner look is sold separately, adding to the overall cost. Finally, while the OLMO offers a lot of features for the price, the build quality feels a bit less robust compared to higher-end models. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, feature-rich unit and don't mind a little extra noise, the OLMO is a solid contender. 5. Whirlpool 10,000 BTU. This model is a favorite for smaller to medium-sized rooms, cooling up to 450 square feet efficiently. One of its key advantages is the dual functionality. Not only does it cool, but it also provides supplemental heating, making it a flexible option for transitional seasons. The Whirlpool unit features a programmable 24-hour timer, 3 cooling speeds, and both eco and sleep modes to help you save energy without sacrificing comfort. The dehumidification function removes up to 1.2 pints of moisture per hour, which is a boon for muggy climates. The onboard electronic controls are easy to use, and the included remote lets you adjust settings from anywhere in the room. What impressed us most during testing was the unit's quiet operation. Even at higher fan speeds, the the noise level was low enough not to disturb conversation or sleep. The Eco mode is particularly effective at keeping energy costs down, cycling the compressor off when the desired temperature is reached. Installation is relatively simple, though like many through-the-wall models, it requires a 230-volt 20-amp outlet, so check your home's wiring before purchasing. The build quality feels sturdy, and the unit fits well into standard wall sleeves, making it a great choice for permanent installation. If you want reliable, year-round comfort for a smaller space, the Whirlpool 10,000 BTU is a dependable pick. Number 4. Keystone 12,000 BTU. At number 4, the Keystone 12,000 BTU through-the-wall air conditioner offers a fantastic balance of power and efficiency for medium-sized spaces up to 550 square feet. This model is perfect for apartments, living rooms, or any area where you need consistent, reliable cooling. The dehumidification feature removes up to 2.5 pints of moisture per hour, helping to keep the air fresh and comfortable. The Keystone 12,000 BTU stands out for its ease of use. The included remote has a built-in thermostat, allowing the unit to adjust cooling based on your location in the room, a feature that really makes a difference in comfort. The Energy Saver mode, Sleep mode, and programmable timer all help to keep your energy bills under control. And the check filter alert is a nice reminder for routine maintenance. During our tests, we found the installation process to be straightforward, especially with the included trim kit and the fact that it uses a standard 150-volt outlet, making it more accessible for most homes. The unit's 3 fan speeds and electronic controls provide plenty of flexibility, and the overall noise level is quite reasonable, even at higher settings. What really sets this model apart is its reliability. The cooling is consistent, the controls are intuitive, and the build quality feels solid. If you want a hassle-free, efficient air conditioner that won't break the bank, the Keystone 12,000 BTU is a top choice for mid-sized rooms. 3. Keystone 23,200 BTU. Breaking into our top 3 is the powerhouse Keystone 23,200 BTU through-the-wall air conditioner. If you need to cool or heat a large space, this is the unit to consider. With a massive 23,200 BTU cooling capacity and 16,000 BTU supplemental heating, it's ideal for big living rooms, open-plan apartments, or even commercial spaces. The Keystone 23,200 BTU impressed us with its ability to rapidly cool down a room and maintain a comfortable temperature, even during heat waves. The unit vents air efficiently to the outside, and the heating function works reliably, even in colder climates. One reviewer mentioned it continued to provide warmth even when temperatures dropped to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, a testament to its robust heating capabilities. The controls are user-friendly, with multiple fan speeds and modes to customize your comfort. Installation is straightforward for a unit of this size, and it fits standard wall sleeves, making it a good option for upgrades or replacements. The noise level is surprisingly manageable for such a powerful unit, and the build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel built to last. If you need a heavy-duty, all-season solution for a large space, the Keystone 23,200 BTU is hard to beat. Its combination of power, reliability, and user-friendly features make it a standout in the through-the-wall category. 2. Cooper&Hunter 12,000 BTU. Runner-up on our list is the Cooper&Hunter 12,000 BTU through-the-wall air conditioner. This model is part of the highly regarded Olivia series and offers both heating and cooling with impressive efficiency. The DC inverter heat pump technology allows the unit to operate in extreme temperatures, heating down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit and cooling up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a true year-round solution. The Cooper&Hunter 12,000 BTU stands out for its high SEER rating, which translates to significant energy savings over time. The auto swing louvers ensure even air distribution, and the unit is pre-charged with refrigerant for easy installation. The included Wi-Fi adapter means you can control the unit from your smartphone, adding a layer of convenience that's perfect for modern homes. During our testing, the unit delivered quiet, consistent performance with precise temperature control and rapid cooling. The build quality is excellent, with anti-corrosion coatings and filters that help keep the air clean and the unit running smoothly. The installation kit is comprehensive, making setup straightforward for most users. If you want a feature-rich, energy-efficient air conditioner that can handle both hot summers and cold winters, the Cooper&Hunter 12,000 BTU is an outstanding choice. It's reliable, easy to use, and packed with smart features that make everyday life more comfortable. 1. Cooper&Hunter 15,000 BTU. Taking the top spot on our list is the Cooper&Hunter 15,000 BTU Packaged Terminal Air Conditioner, PTAC, with heat pump. This unit is the gold standard for through-the-wall air conditioning, offering unmatched performance, smart features, and year-round comfort. With a 15,000 BTU cooling capacity and a powerful heat pump, it's perfect for rooms up to 550 square feet, making it ideal for hotels, apartments, offices, and even commercial spaces. The Cooper&Hunter PTAC is engineered for efficiency and convenience. The Wi-Fi-enabled smart control lets you adjust settings from your smartphone, so you can always come home to the perfect temperature. The included remote is intuitive, and the auto restart and sleep modes ensure seamless operation and energy savings. The dehumidification mode keeps indoor air fresh and comfortable, while the Goldfin anti-corrosive coating adds durability for long-term reliability. What truly sets this unit apart is its quiet operation and robust build quality. Even at full power, the noise level is low enough for bedrooms or offices. The installation process is straightforward, and the unit is compatible with standard wall sleeves, making replacements or upgrades easy. The fresh air ventilation feature ensures clean air circulation, and the comprehensive warranty, 7 years on the compressor and 5 years on parts, provides peace of mind. During our tests, the Cooper&Hunter 15,000 BTU consistently delivered powerful, efficient cooling and heating, with smart features that made daily use a breeze. If you want the best of the best in through-the-wall air conditioning, this is the unit to beat. Final thought. And there you have it, the 7 best through-the-wall air conditioners tested and reviewed. Whether you need cooling, heating, smart features, or just reliable performance, there's an option here for every home and budget. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and thanks for watching.